Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and we are looking at big data and analytics services on Azure. So before we jump into it, let's talk about what is big data. So it is a term used to describe massive volumes of structured and unstructured data that is so large it is difficult to move and process using traditional database and software techniques. So we need special services just to handle them. The first on our list here is Azure Synapsis Analytics, formerly known as SQL Data Warehouse. So it is enterprise data warehousing and big data analytics. So it's intended to run SQL queries against large databases to generate things such as reporting. Then you have HD Insight. HD is short for Hadoop. But anyway, it runs open source analytics software such as Hadoop, Kafka, and Spark. I imagine it was called HD Insight because it only supported Hadoop and then they added additional services, but that's just what it's called. Then you have Azure Databricks. So we have an Apache Spark-based analytics platform optimized for Microsoft Azure cloud service platforms. So third-party Databricks cloud services supported with Azure. So Databricks was made by the creators of Spark. And yes, of course, you can run Spark on HD Insight, but Databricks is its own cloud service provider, and Azure partnered up with them so that you can use it within the Azure platform. Then you have Data Lake Analytics, so an on-demand analytics job service that simplifies big data. And we saw what data lakes were when we looked at storage services, but we'll describe them here just in a little bit different way. A data lake is a storage repository that holds a vast amount of raw data in its native format until it is needed. So there you go. That is the big data and analytics services we need to know.